Hey, what's up, stackers? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to my daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in. We are going to discuss my top 3 favorite coins for 2022, but not only that, we're going to discuss the top 3 coins that I think everyone needs in 2022, because some of my personal ones probably aren't the best to recommend to everybody, right? And that's one of the beautiful things about silver stacking. Now, a lot of these coins you see in front of us are coins that I purchased in 2022, hence why I'm showing them, but I also wanted to add in just some of my favorites to make the video that much better, right? So we're going to start it off like this with a question. If you could come over right now and you could pick any coin in front of you, which would it be? We could even do like the slabs and the bars. So you can pick one of the slabs and one of the coins. So we have a 2007 MS-70 Panda over here, which is one of my earliest pandas, which is really cool because it's MS-70 version. I love pandas. If you guys don't know, we have some 2017 Dragon and Phoenix, but they're actually the error, the ones that were misprinted, the mirror behind the Phoenix's head. We have the 2016 PF70 Ultra Cameo Moon Festival Panda, 2017 PF70 Ultra Cameo Moon Festival Panda. We have this really wicked looking coin where there's a square in the middle cut out. It looks so cool. It's 2021 Vault Protector series. We also have a 2012 Scallop PF70 Ultra Cameo. All my slabs are MS-70 or PF70, but we also have a lot of coins over here. We have my oldest Panda, which is a 1989, still in the original capsule. A lot of Lunar series stuff, lots of different stuff. So out of all of this, which slab and which coin? We even have the 10-ounce bar, so let me know. Now let's go over my top 3 favorite coins that came out this year. And not even just came out this year, just my favorite coins for the year. So I am going to talk about from coins that came out, and maybe I'll even go over some of my favorites in general that's in front of us. But hands down, definitely the koala is one of my favorites. I don't know why. I just love the finish on the koalas. See, this is, I'm pretty sure, 2014 or 2020. Okay, this is a 2020 koala. This is what most koalas look like. It's very shiny. But look at the new koalas. Do you see how much different they look? And even, do you see the font right there? That's what I was talking about. They made this coin just look so much better. A lot of people might like this mirror look, but in my opinion, even on the back, in my opinion, this just looks so cool to me. It just looks very laid back and just smooth. So that is definitely a must-have for 2022. Now, we also have another fan favorite probably, which is the 2022 Britannia that came out. And actually, we're starting this kind of backwards, I guess. These are coins I would recommend. Definitely the koalas, because the design changes every year. Very sought after from Perth Mint, very good mint. But also Britannias, highly recommend, and they have this safety feature now. If you can't tell, it's gonna, imagine someone trying to fake this coin. How are they going to fake it with something like that type of security feature, which isn't on other Britannias? I think this is the first year that they made Britannias with that security feature. Now, we have a Type 2 Eagle, but this is definitely something I wouldn't recommend. And I actually just made a video how Type 2 Eagles, along this ridge, they found there's error. There's some errors on some of these coins that they made. And if you want to check out, if you have one of those, go watch the video I made about it. But these coins, just the premiums are too high. Definitely not a good choice. Now, this is another coin that I probably wouldn't recommend to everybody, but it is so wicked. This is the Welsh Dragon. This is a coin that I think probably is going to be extremely underlooked, not that popular, but it did come out this year, and it looks so cool, in my opinion. Now, let me show you. See, it's from New. It's like NIUE. And I'm pretty sure these are also new. Let me see. I know I have other ones from new, but I can't remember which other coins I have that were also the new. I was thinking it was the Rwanda series for some reason, but I don't see it on there. Maybe it was something else. But oh, by the way, Rwanda series, definitely some of the most wicked looking coins. If you guys don't know, these coins are so cool. These coins are so cool. They come in this plastic flip too. Just really cool coins. Another cool coin that came out this year is this Bitcoin. Now, I'm sure a lot of you... Oh, there's the new. That's what it was. Yeah, see, NIUE Islands, which is also where the Welsh Dragon new. So, yeah, pretty cool. I knew I saw that somewhere. But the Bitcoin, this is pretty cool just because, a lot of people, Bitcoin's virtual. So to have an actual Bitcoin, and it would be cool if there was like some type of security feature that made this coin worth whatever Bitcoin's actual price was, which is like $35,000 right now. Man, I remember buying them when they were $1,200. But yeah, that's pretty cool as well. So another coin I would recommend. So this is going along with the three, which would be the Koala. What else did I say? I said the Koala, the Britannia, and I would recommend this as well, the generic round. So those are the three coins this year, I would say, for people. And those are probably the top three that I would choose in general, but I also talk about my top three coins in front of us just because there's so many other coins to talk about. So this is a generic round. This is the Buffalo, pegged to spot price, but it's a very cheap coin, a lot cheaper than, let's say, an Eagle. Back in the day, these coins were essentially the same. Nowadays, these coins are literally the opposite. This is the lowest premium. This is the highest premium. Back before 2020, both of these coins were about the same price, believe it or not. American Eagle was worth $2, $3 over spot. This was worth $1, $2 over spot. Crazy to say that, but it's true. Another really cool coin I have is this 2005 Panda. Really old. If you can get any type of Panda that's older, highly recommended. Highly recommend those. If you've never seen a 1 ounce bar, it's really interesting because you would think it would be smaller, but since it's so thin, it's kind of spread out and it's pretty big, like compared to my hand, and I have a pretty big hand. It's a nice size bar. I thought that's really cool. So, on that note, let's go over some of my favorite pieces in front of us. The first one I want to talk about, let me see. Probably, well, okay, so these are my favorite, because if you guys know my channel, or watch my channel, the Lunar Series 2, and even when I interviewed the guy from Bullion Max, he talked about the Lunar Series 2. So, oh my gosh, I have so many from the Lunar Series. Holy crap. So this is the Lunar Series 2. All of these coins, extremely valuable and extremely hard to find. Extremely hard to find. And I'm not exaggerating. Go try to find some of these coins on APMEX or somewhere. You're not going to be able to. You will not be able to. And if you will be able to, they're going to be extremely expensive. So I have 2013 Year of the Snakes. Yeah, these are... So I have a couple of these, actually. So these coins are... The Lunar Series 2 is really good because it's the most collectible series for silver, probably even in front of the Queen's Beast series. Just because the Queen's Beast series are 2 ounces. They're 2 ounce coins, and a lot of people don't like 2 ounces, especially because you have to buy specific capsules for them, which On Fire Guy actually made specific capsules for the Queen's Beast series. But anyways, so I have 4 2013 snakes, 2017 rooster, which I think looks really cool, just because the way it pops. I have a I'm pretty sure this is a 2014 monkey, or 2016. 2016 is the year of the monkey. I have a 2012, obviously, is the year of the dragon. 2012, and then I have Year of the Dogs 2015 or 2018. Wow, sorry, I was way off on that one. 2018 Year of the Dog. So obviously, the older back you go, the harder they're going to be to find. But these coins are expensive. I'm saying like the snakes, easily $70+ if I'm going off the top of my head. The dragons, same. I mean, a lot of these coins, you're not going to be able to find them, though. That's the thing, is even if you wanted them or were willing to pay the crazy high price, you're not going to find them. Now, my goal would be to get every year. If I could collect every single year of this series, I could hold it, and it would be, man, that would be nice. I could sell it as a complete set for a lot of money. Another series that would be cool to get a hold of would be the Rwanda series. I don't know why I just threw these out. We also have the 2017. I started collecting this series actually as soon as they came out. I remember watching another unboxing video from a girl named London Stacks, but she actually changed her name and does more crypto stuff now. Sad, unfortunately, because she had a really cool silver stacking channel. But she unboxed the 2017 right when they came out, and I remember so vividly commenting on that video saying, what is that coin? I need to buy it now. Because before this came out, you've never seen a coin with that much detail. And I'm talking, look how much detail. Even each one of those squares have little dots on them. Like, if you could capture the amount of detail in this thing, there's no other coin like it. Nothing else even close to this. So the best thing to do if you do like high premium coins like this is buy the current year. Buy the current year, right? See how this is 2022? Start with this, because it's going to be a lot cheaper. It's going to be a lot cheaper than, you know, buying a 2019 or especially a 2017. Or if you're going to go with pandas, you know, buy the current year. If you're going to buy a 2005 panda, you're going to be paying some big bucks. See, these are coins that a lot of these I did buy years ago, but also there's a lot that I purchased now. You guys know I'm more of a collector. I love silver. Now, another fan favorite, and I could have put this actually as in the top 3, one of the best coins is the 2022 Kangaroo. And this actually comes in the silver starter kit. If you guys don't know, the starter kit comes with a Kangaroo. It comes with a 1-ounce bar. It comes with a generic round, a Type 2 Eagle, and forget what else, something else. Britannia. Oh, yeah, and the Britannia. Yeah, here's here's what the starter kit comes with. What did I do with the bar? Oh, it's in my hand. What's the other one? Oh, the Type 2 Eagle. So if you get the starter kit, it's 5 ounces of silver at below employee pricing, and it comes with these. It comes with all these. Now, it's below employee pricing, and a lot of people are going to say, you know, why is spot price times 5, but this is not a good deal. You got to remember, this Type 2 Eagle is $45. You know, the Britannia with the new security feature, hefty premium, and the Kangaroo. So you bulliamax.com/silverslayer if you're gonna grab that. It's only 1 per household, obviously, or you know, you're gonna be paying. I mean, they would lose money. So this is an interesting coin right here because it does actually mention the mirrored gap. Now, see right here behind the Phoenix's head where it's mirrored? It's not supposed to be there. That feather right there, whatever his ear, that's supposed to be sticking out from the matte finish, but it's mirrored. And it is on this one too. And I was actually one of the first people to get my hands on the mirrored ones because I purchased mine from Modern Coin Mart when they came out accidentally. And the person obviously isn't from Australia, so right up, you know, Florida would be the first one in the United States to grab them. And I got a hold of them because you know me, every time a new cool coin comes out, I'm going to grab it. So luckily I was one of the first, because after I think 1,900, they caught on and they stopped. Obviously, this is my favorite coin that exists. I'll probably get buried with this coin. I'm not even kidding. This is literally, this that I'm holding is the one that is my favorite. The 2016 PF70 Ultra Cameo Moon Festival Panda. This is my favorite coin in the world. Literally my favorite coin in the world. This was my channel logo for many, many, many years. This coin has so much sentimental value to me. I don't care what someone would pay me. I would never sell it. It just had, this was my first expensive coin I ever bought. I paid $99 for it from Modern Coin Mart. And once I got it, I fell in love. That's when I knew I liked collecting silver. That's when I knew that there's a lot more to silver than just buying eagles and in 1 ounce bars, because this thing is amazing. I do have the 2017 version as well, though, but nothing compares to the 2016. Probably also because this was my channel logo for 3-4 years, my first 3-4 years on YouTube as well. So yeah, that's the top 3 coins I would recommend are the generic round, the 2022 koala, and the Britannia. But you can also replace that with the 2022 kangaroo as well. So my top 3 or 4 coins. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.